Sesame seeds have maintained their importance as scientific healers, and over the past 20 years they have accumulated documented proof in many areas. While the seeds remain tiny in size, their level of importance as a healing aid in our lives today continues to grow. Check out the benefits of sesame seeds in the following areas. 1. Diabetes. With their abundance of magnesium, sesame seeds are able to cut down on your chances of getting diabetes. They are also able to help plasma glucose in diabetics who have been proven to be hypersensitive. A study by the Clinical Journal of Nutrition was able to prove that the use of sesame oil raised the effectiveness of a type 2 diabetic drug called glibenclamide. 2. Heart health. The oil from sesame seeds is able to prevent lesions known as atherosclerotic, which in turn keeps the heart healthy and helps to maintain it that way. 3. Kidney disease. There is a disease of the kidney that is induced by an antibiotic. The use of sesame seed oil is able to protect against this condition by cutting down on the oxidative damage that is caused by gentamicin. 4. Depression. The same component in sesame seeds called sesamol was proven to act as an antidepressant in people who were documented as chronically stressed out. It was able to cut down on the level of stress and the amount of proven inflammation. 5. Certain types of cancer. Sesame seeds have been able to become effective in treating a number of types of cancer. Sesamin, which is a fat-soluble lignin, was able to reduce the progression of cancer cells in the following types of cancer: prostate, lung, pancreatic, leukemia, colon, breast, and multiple myeloma. 6. Bones. Some of the minerals that are found in sesame seeds, such as calcium, zinc, and phosphorus, have been able to establish new bone materials as well as repair bones that may have been compromised from osteoporosis. 7. Anti-inflammatory. If you suffer from the pains of arthritis that can create inflammation in your bones, muscles, and joints, sesame seeds can help. It is the copper found in the sesame seeds that helps to heal inflammation, improve circulation, and make sure that there is plenty of oxygen flowing throughout the entire body at all times. 8. Metabolism. The high levels of a protein that are found in sesame seeds are able to distribute these proteins into usable components for the entire body. The result is higher energy levels, greater strength, better mobility, and improved metabolic function.